Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In our previous class, we have been discussed about the problems related the blood group. So how the parent, what type of blood group if it is present in the parents means. So what type of blood group will be appear in the offspring. So that easily we can put the calculation by putting an checkerboard. So how to solve the problems, and the problems will be appear for your NEET exam, not for your board exam. So all these things we have been discussed in our previous class. So today next topic, let us discuss the topic called it as a effect of gene on the phenotype. What is the effect of a gene on the phenotype? That means you know very well. So for every character, for every phenotypic character, one gene will be represented in our body which is performing that work. So let us discuss how this gene it will affect on the phenotype. So sometimes single gene product may produce more than one effect on the phenotype. So till now we have been discussed two topics here. What here is, so single gene. So we have been discussed that. So what we have been discussed is single gene. That means here two alleles will be present. Gene means what here? This is we are calling it as a gene, single gene which contains how many alleles? Two alleles will be present, and this it is performing a character. It is holding for one character. It is holding one character. Next, another concept as I said here. This concept I have been told by explaining an example of a monohybrid cross here. So one each character it is held by a pair of gene which contains the two alleles. Which are the alleles? These are the two alleles. Which are the alleles? These are the alleles. This is one allele, this is one allele. So like that it is held by the two alleles, and this completely we are calling it as a gene which is performing a character like tall character, dwarf character, round character, wrinkle character. So like these are the character it is holding. Next, another one concept as I said here, two alleles will be present. Two alleles are present. So these are the two alleles, that is nothing but single gene. Two alleles, but is nothing but single gene it is present. It is performing how many character? One character it is performing. How many character it is performing? It is performing only one character. Now along with these two alleles, another allele it has came and joined together. One or two or three, we contradict that. More than two alleles. More than what here? Two alleles. Either it may be 3 or 4 or how many it is present, we contradict that. More than two alleles if combined together in the same locus where they are sitting, in that same place only. So where they are sitting in that same place, so more than two alleles will combine together and all they are performing the same character. This I have given by this I have been explained by giving an example of a cutting of a pumpkin. Just as I said you here, in one bench two members are sitting. Two members are a gene. Two members are sitting in one bench. Two members are sitting in one bench, and what they are doing? They are performing a phenotypic character. Which phenotypic character I have given here? Cutting of a big pumpkin. So both the alleles, both the girls, what they are doing means they are cutting this pumpkin. Like this they are cutting the pumpkin. Along with them, another one girl or two girl or three girls they came and joined with them. And this is and all together they came and joined together. As they join here, all these alleles they are performing the same character. All this what they are doing? All these they are performing the same phenotypic character. All together they started to cut the pumpkin. So as they join here, they didn't change this character. The girls they came and joined with them, so they didn't left doing this work. So what they done is all the girls together they started to cut this pumpkin. So this one thing we have been discussed. We call it as a multiple alleles here. Many alleles. Multiple means many. See here many alleles. Each one is one and alleles. Many alleles are there combined together to perform a same character. Which character? Phenotypic character. Now here which phenotypic character example I have given here? Cutting of the pumpkin. So this one we have been discussed here. Now third, another one. Now what I am telling is, so sometimes a single gene, sometimes what happen? A single gene. Single gene means you know very well two alleles will be present. So this is a single gene. What here? This is a single gene. In a single gene which contain what it contains? Two alleles it contains. Now this single gene it is performing. It should perform a one character. It should perform a one character. It should perform, but instead of performing a one character, single gene, it will perform more phenotypic character. Many characters it will perform. 2, 3 characters it will be perform. Characters will perform. So like that, single gene product may produce more than one effect on the phenotypic. More than one effect on the phenotypic. Instead of performing a one character, it is performing a many character. Like how one person is there, he is performing the many works. Which are the works he is performing? Assume that one person is a gene. Assume that one person is a gene, and what he is doing? He is performing the many works. So he is going to school to teach the students. Next, after coming from the school, what he is doing? He is taking the tuition. This is a one character. Going to school is one character. Taking the tuition is another one character. Another one character, he has his own he has his own shop. So he will sit in the shop. Next, this is the another one character here. Next, another one character, he will sit in the what here? So he will sit in here own hair cutting shop. That means he is having their own parlor. He is having. So like that, 4 character it is performed by a single person. By a single person, what he is doing? He is doing the 4 different type of work. So what is this 4 different type of work? Assume that they are the character. एक आदमी 4 काम करे. एक कॉलेज को भी जाता है, ट्यूशन भी लेता है, then he is having his own business. That means he is having their own petty shop he is having, and another one he is having their own saloon it is present. 4 काम करे. एक person 4 काम. That means here single gene performing the many character. Single gene it is holding the many character. But normally single gene it will hold the one character. But here a single gene it will hold the many character. Like your mother. So example, you can take it as your mother. So your mother, she is a single gene, but what she will do? She will perform the varieties of character. She will take care of home. So she will cook the food for you. She will wash your clothes. She will go outside to earn. So many works it will perform by your mother. So assume that your mother is a gene, and many works it will be performed by your mother. So like that, single gene it is performing the many character. So here one gene was performing only one character, but here many genes. Here how many genes it will comes? Many alleles it will comes here. Here many alleles, one character. बल्ला के alleles से एक ही character करें. हाँ एक allele 2 allele performing the many character. That means single gene it is performing the many characters it is performing. So that is nothing but we are calling it as the effect of gene on the phenotype. Sometimes a single gene produced many products more than one effect on the phenotype. So this they are being explained by giving this example. So example, what they done is they took a seed. So what they done is they took a seed. One of the seed it is present. In that seed, starch synthesis. They took the seed. Inside that seed, so what happened is starch synthesis it is taking place. Starch is nothing but you know very well, it is a carbohydrates. Already you have been studied in your first year. Starch is a type of carbohydrates. So in a single gene, carbohydrates it is produced in the seed. That means starch is produced in the seeds. If the seed inside the seed, starch want to produce, means for that also one gene is represented. So if in the seed starch production want to take place, means so who is responsible? Gene is responsible. As I said you many times here, in every organism, not only in the human beings, whichever the organisms it may be present, in every organism, if any character if it is present in their body, means so for that character one gene will be represented in their body. Now inside that seed, the starch production it should want to take place, means gene is responsible. Now this gene, as you know very well, we are indicating in the form of a letters. Now which letters we are using? Means we are using the what here? B letter we are using. So capital B, small b. These are the 2 letters we are using to indicate the starch synthesis in the seed. So as you know very well here, B, capital B always it will indicate the dominancy. Capital letters it will indicate the dominancy, and what here? Small letters it will indicate the recessive. So already have been discussed. So wherever if any character if it is dominant, means we are representing in the form of a capital B. And if any letter if it is in recessive condition, any character if it is in recessive condition, means we are representing in the form of a small b. So that's why the starch synthesis in the seed is controlled by a gene B. So it is controlled by whom? It is controlled by this gene B. The gene B has 2 alleles. Gene B what it is having? It is having 2 alleles, capital B and small b. 2 alleles will be present. Like how even in the tall also the height character. So 2 alleles are present. One is the capital T, another one is the small here. These are the what name is two alleles which will represent the what it will represent here. It will represent the tallness in the plant. In the same manner, star synthesis, if they want to represent means, so who is responsible here means gene is responsible, and that gene we are indicating in the B, and inside that what it contains means it contains the two different type of alleles. One is the capital B, another one is the small b. One is the capital B and another one is the small b. It is present. Next here, starch is effectively synthesized by what here means capital B homozygous condition. Suppose here the seeds which contains this type of gene. Suppose the seeds which contains this type of genes, that is nothing but homozygous condition. This is the homozygous because both are same. So the seeds which contains the capital B, this type of genes or this type of alleles, if it is present means, then in that seed starch synthesis will be in a large quantity. Starch synthesis, it will be in a large amount, it will get synthesized here. So in that case what happen means starch production will be large. The seeds which is having the capital B, if it is present means this type of genes are present means inside there, so large amount of starch will be present. So that's why the starch is effectively synthesized by capital B homozygote, because both are same here. So that's why we are calling it as a homozygote. Therefore, the large amount of starch grains are produced here. And in that case, what happen means, what are the grains? That means here to whom we are calling it as means large amount of seeds. The seeds which will produce means it contains a large amount of starch, it will be produced. Such type of seeds, they contains a large amount of seeds starch will be present. So in contrast, small b, suppose here if the seeds they having suppose the seeds if they have this type of alleles here, suppose some seeds which is having this type of alleles means this is also in a homozygous condition because both are same here. But in this case here, so what happen means large amount of starch synthesis will not present in the seed. So how it contains means it contains a less amount of seed it is present. In this case what happen means less amount of starch synthesis will be present here. So smaller starch grains will be produced. Smaller starch grains will be produced. Grains to whom we are calling as anaj. That means here seeds. The seeds which is contains the small amount of starch, because here it is in a homozygous, because it is in a recessive condition. It is also homozygous condition. This also homozygous condition. But what is the difference means here the gene alleles are in a dominant in condition. So that's why more amount of starch will be produced in the seeds here, and the seeds which contains this type of alleles here, so that is in a recessive in condition. So that's why less amount or smaller amount of what is starch will be produced in the grain. So as a result, one seeds will be homozygous or round, and that of the small b will be wrinkle here. So now what they are doing is, so the genes, the seeds which is having this type of the seeds which is having this type of genes are present. Such type of seeds, they will be round in shape. Such type of seeds in which condition they are present? Round in shape they are present here. Whereas the seeds which contain these type of genes means they will be in a wrinkle in shape. The seeds will be in a wrinkle in shape. The seeds will be in a wrinkle in shape. The seeds which contains capital B, the genes if it is present means in that seeds large amount of starch synthesis will be taken place. What synthesis? Starch synthesis. Starch synthesis will be in a large amount, and the seeds, what type of seeds will be produced means round seeds will be produced. In this case here, the seeds which is having in the homozygous condition, that means recessive genes are present, so they will produce as the less starch. What they will produce? Less starch will be produced in the seeds, and the seeds shape will be wrinkle in shape. So see here, it has shown the effect of the gene. That means here, so single gene, it is performing the many characters. So single gene, it is performing the two characters. So which is the character? One character. Say starch synthesis is the one character. Which is the another character? So shape, round shape or wrinkle shape. This is the another character. So in the seeds which contain this type here, so the seeds will be, it will hold the one character starch synthesis, another character round shape it will holds. And next to the seeds which is having this type of gene, means the seeds they will be having the less amount of starch it is present, and the seeds will also be in a wrinkle in shape it will be present. So like that one gene it is holding the two different character, one synthesis of starch, another one is the shape of the seeds, round shape or wrinkle shape. So they are dominant in condition, so that's why they will comes the round shape. Here they will be recessive in condition, so that's why it is coming in a wrinkle shape it is appearing. Next we can get the another one type of allele, both they are in a homozygous in condition. Now we may get the heterozygous type of genes also it may be produced here. So which is the heterozygous? This is the heterozygous. So capital B, small b, heterozygote. So produced round shape seeds because the allele B is dominant on the seed, so on the recessive here. So that's why intermediate size will be becomes here. So what they are telling me is next the third case here. Suppose here the seeds, some seeds it may contain these type of alleles. Some seeds it may contain which type of alleles, this pattern of alleles it may be present here. Now this is not a homozygous, it is a heterozygous condition. Heterozygous. Why it is heterozygous? Because here what it is there, both are different in condition. Now what type of seeds will be appear here means the seeds will be round. The seeds, what is the shape of the seed it will come means the shape of the seed it will be appears round shape it will appear. So round shape it is appearing. So heterozygous produces round shape of seeds. Why? Because means capital B is dominant on the small b. Capital B is dominant on the whom? Small b. That means this is dominant on the recessive it will get dominant. So that's why the seeds will be produced in the what name is round shape it will produces here. But the size will be in the intermediate size here. The size what it will come here in this case here, the size it will be intermediate size it will comes. Why the intermediate size it will comes means because the alleles of B gene shows incomplete dominance. So intermediate size it will come. So what is the intermediate size means in both the case what the size of the seeds will becomes, so same size will not be present. So same size will not be present. So it will becomes intermediate. Beach कहते हैं. It is not bigger like in round or not smaller in a wrinkle. It will becomes in a middle size it will comes. Beach का size it will be comes. So that's why we are containing intermediate size. Why it is intermediate? It will shows intermediate size means because due to the incomplete dominance. You have been discussed about the incomplete dominance. What is the meaning of incomplete dominance here? Incomplete dominance means so capital B is unable to hide the recessive gene in a complete manner. Incomplete will hide. So due to that one we will get the incomplete. So the incomplete also we have been discussed in our previous class. As I said here, which is one of the most important guarantee question for your exam. So red and by taking in the red flowers and the white flowers in Mirabilis, Jelpa, Snapdragon plants. So what happened means due to incomplete hideness, so instead of getting the red color flowers, so we got the pink color flowers we got in content, and pink color flowers it is not present in both the parents. So here also the intermediate size will get here. So the size which is not present in these both the seeds, so such type of size will be get here. It is not bigger like this, it is not smaller like these seeds here. Intermediate size will be comes. So why? Because means due to the incomplete dominance. So that's why capital B small b it is the heterozygous produces round seeds because all the B is dominant. Sometimes but lekin zare time the seeds of BB are heterozygous are intermediate size here. Then shows the intermediate size because the alleles of the gene shows incomplete dominance. So like this. So what happened means effect of a gene on the pleiotropy it is explained. It has been explained by giving this example. Even they have been given in your textbook also. You can revise your textbook once also. Where it has been given is it is given in your page number page number 78. They have been given in your page number 78 this topic. So page number 78. So like this. So capital B. So it will show the intermediate size it will shows here. So if the starch size, so if the starch grain size is considered as a phenotypic from this angle, the allele shows incomplete dominance. What they are showing here? They are showing the incomplete dominance they are showing. So this you can read. Now next here. So like this is the effect of the pleiotropy. So like this, like in this manner, one gene it is performing the many characters. It can be explained by giving this example. Now next, let us go to the our next topic. Next topic is pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is also same. Just now we have been discussed here. So single gene it is performing the many character. So that condition only we are going to as a pleiotropy, that we have been discussed by taking a seed by synthesis, star synthesis, and even the shape of the seed. So let us discuss another one time. So that condition what we are calling, that condition we are calling as a pleiotropy. So what is the definition for the pleiotropy? Means the condition in which a single gene influences number of characters simultaneously. Just now what I said here, a single gene. So what it is doing? A single gene influences, it is performing, single gene what it is doing? Single gene it is performing the number of characters. What it is doing? It is performing the number of characters simultaneously. Simultaneously at a time it is doing. It is doing this work also, that work also. At a time it is doing, like how your mother morning time at a time she will do all the work here. She will wake up for you, she will ready your dress, she will in other side she will prepare the food. Simultaneously she will be go on doing all the work at a time. So in the same manner, so single gene it will performing the what here means same work as different work simultaneously. That condition we are calling as a pleiotropy. That means here also we have been discussed a manner. So single gene it is performing the star synthesis also. On another side what it is doing? It is giving the round shape also. It is giving what it is giving? It is giving the round shape also. It is giving. So single gene it is performing the two different characters. That condition we are calling as a pleiotropy. So what is pleiotropy means? It is a condition in which a single gene influences the number of characters simultaneously. That characters it may be more than one. Characters usually normal one gene it will perform the only one work. Usually एक ही gene एक काम करता है. But here more than one work if the gene it is performing means then that condition we are calling it as a pleiotropic. एक gene बल्ला के कामा, बल्ला के gene एक काम. So that condition is also present. So that condition we are calling as a multiple alleles. Multiple alleles में बल्ला के जीन एक काम करती हैं. So pleiotropy में एक जीन बल्ला के कामा. So like that it will be present. Now let us discuss this one. The gene having the multiple phenotypic effect because of its ability to control the express the number of a character called pleiotropic gene. So what I mean here, single gene it is performing the many characters. Single gene what it is having? Single gene it is having the capacity. Single gene it is having the capacity to control the many characters. One can do many characters when means if that person is having the ability to perform all that work, then only the person can do that work here. If the person is not having that capacity to do means he is unable to perform this work. But here the gene it is having the ability to control to express the number of characters. So that's why gene it is having the ability or capacity to control or express the number of characters in the number of characters simultaneously. So such type of genes what we are calling is we are calling it as a pleiotropic genes we are calling. Next here in case of man, one example they have been given here. Example when they have been given. Suppose one man, in that man the gene it is defective in condition. Suppose they have been given one example. Which example they are given here? One man is there. So in that man he is having the gene. So that due to the defective gene he got the disease called it as a phenylketonuria. What is the defective? What is the disease name is? The disease name is phenylketonuria. So in a man, due to the defective gene, the person has got the which disease here? Phenylketonuria. Also those are having the phenylketonuria also produces the number of phenotypic character. The person is having the phenylketonuria. This is a disease name. As he is having this disease, he got due to the defective of the gene. Due to the defective gene, the person got the disease called it as a phenylketonuria. So gene defective होने की वजह से person को कौन सी बीमारी है? phenylketonuria he got here. Now, as he got this phenylketonuria, it will shows the simultaneously number of phenotypic characters will get affected. So, gene defective होने की वजह से phenylketonuria आने की वजह से वो person के body में at a time में बल्ला के किस्म के what here means phenotypic characters changes हो गए. क्या भाई phenotypic changes character हो गए? तो one is the mental retardation. You know very well the mentally the person who is in a abnormal in condition we are calling it as a mental retardation we are calling. Next what we are calling means then widely placed incisors. Incisors to whom we are calling means our front teeth. So हमारे सामने के दांत हैं front teeth. So in that front teeth we are calling it as incisors. Already have been studied in your first year. So we having the 4 different type of teeth are present. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. 4 different type of teeth are present inside our mouth. So in the front teeth it is present, we are calling it as a incisor teeth. So usually you have seen that teeth it will be in a like this join in condition. All the teeth will be in like this join in condition. There is no gap present between the one teeth to the another teeth. So the front two teeth which is present, we are calling it as a incisor. सामने के जो दांत तो सामने के दांत है नहीं, we are calling it as a incisors. So usually it will be present in this manner. But the person those who got the their female cretonuria due to defective gene, so in the person body there will present a gap in the incisors here. So like that in between the two teeth. Assume this is this finger is one teeth, this finger is one teeth. So I am having the two teeth. So these are the incisor teeth here. So gap will present in between these two teeth. So here in the middle, what will get here? The gap will be produced like this in the middle. What will be happen here is the gap it will be produced like this. So this is the gap. So like this gap will be produced in between the teeth. Usually our teeth it will be joined in this manner. So there is no gap present between these two teeth. But due to the person that is having this female cretonuria due to the defective gene, it will produce us like this gap in the mid. In the middle, the two gap will be present. So this condition we are calling it as a what is widely placed incisor. This condition what we are calling? This condition we are calling it as a widely placed incisors. And even pigmented patches on the skin. Skin के ऊपर क्या आती है? Patches, white color patches it will be appear on the skin. And excess sweating. So even the person will get the what happen means excess sweating will be present. So these are the 4 phenotypic character. Mental retardation is also one phenotypic character. So placed incisors is also widely placed incisors is also one phenotypic character. Pigmented patches is also one of the phenotypic character. And excess sweating is also one of the phenotypic character. So how many characters you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of characters we got here, and all these 4 different type of characters it is expressed by due to the one of the defective gene. एक जीन डिफेक्टिव होने की वजह से पर्सन में क्या हुआ? फीमेल कीटोन्यूरिया आया. सो फीमेल कीटोन्यूरिया आने की वजह से सो इन द पर्सन बॉडी सो phenotypic character, abnormal phenotypic character has been produced. So these are all of the abnormal phenotype. This is not a normal character. Normal person will not find this character. Normal person he will not get any mental retardation. So abnormal होने की वजह से जीन person में क्या आता है? Mental retardation. तो mentally he will be in a abnormal in condition. Already you have been seeing many mentally retarded children. They doesn't have their own sense also. So they are unable to give answer for anyone, mentally retarded. So then widely placed, pigmented patches on the skin and excess of sweating. These are the 4 different type of characters it will be produced here. Next, hereditary diseases like sickle cell anemia is also an example of a pleiotropy. Even hereditary diseases to whom we are connected, the diseases which may be easily transmitted from parents to the offspring. Suppose if the parents they having that disease means easily this disease it may get transmitted to the offspring. All the diseases we can't tell that has a heredity diseases. पूरे diseases को हमें heredity नहीं बोल सकते. क्या होता? All the diseases will not get transmitted from parents to the offspring. Only some diseases will get transmitted from parents to the offspring. If it is present in the parent body means definitely it will be transmitted to the offspring also. So hereditary diseases like a sickle cell anemia. So what is the sickle cell anemia? Briefly you'll study in this chapter. Usually our blood is inside our body. RBC it will be in a round shape inside our body. RBC in which shape it is present? RBC it is present in the round shape it is present like this. This is the round shape. But due to the defective gene defective होने की वजह से RBC का shape it will be in a like this sickle shape it will come. So this shape we are calling it as a sickle shape. So in this manner it will be present. So like this it will be present. Sickle shape it will present. So this shape we are calling it as what term is sickle shape anemia. So that this condition we are going to say sickle cell anemia. So it is a one hereditary disease. If the parents are having this type of disease means automatically the defective gene it will be entered into the offspring also. Parents में ये disease रहा तो so inside the blood so they will be having the sickle shape RBC instead of a say round shape sickle shape if it is present means then that person so what happen is the disease the gene which is responsible for this gene easily it will get transmitted to the offspring. So this is so we are going to say hereditary disease. So I give an example for the phyliotropy means you can write it as a sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. So these are all of the example for what is phyliotropy. This is the example for what here phyliotropy, because one gene it is performing the many characters. So like here one defective gene it is performing what here means it is performing all this character. It has brought the mental retardation, widely placed in scissor, pigmented patches, and even the excess of sweating. In the same manner, so due to one defective gene the person get the sickle cell anemia, and due to that many what happen means problems will be associated in the person body. So he will be not in a normal in condition. Another one example they have been given here, flower color and seed color in the pea plant. So in the pea plant means Pisum sativum. So what is the scientific name of the pea plant means Pisum sativum is the scientific name. So even the flower color and seed color. So Pisum sativum in the pea plant, the flower color and the seed color is also got by the phyliotropy condition. So this is about your phyliotropy. Next topic, polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means a particular character is controlled by two or more genes and the phenotype is produced due to the additive effect of gene is called as polyinheritance. So polyinheritance means the name itself it will shows a polygenic inheritance. Poly means many, genic means genes. That means many genes here. Polygenic means what here? Many genes inheritance. Many genes will get inherited. It will get transmitted from one person to the another person. So that means here, as I said about here, multiple alleles. Multiple alleles also same. Polygenic condition is also same. Multiple alleles का तो भी एक ही, polygenic का तो एक ही. ये particular character means a single character is controlled by two or more genes. Single character is controlled by two or more genes, as I said you before also. A polygenic means what here? Meaning itself it is shows here. What is the meaning of the polygenic? Many genes it will control the only one character it is controlling. Polygenic means what here? Polygenic means many genes it is controlling the what here means controlling the one character, as I said here. Multiple alleles का तो भी एक ही, polygenic का तो एक ही. Many genes here. So usually two genes will present. So many genes it is controlling only one character. So it's called as polygenic inheritance. So it's present and produces phenotype. That means here it will produce one phenotypic character is produced due to additive effect of the gene. So that character, phenotypic character, it is produced by the additive genes here. Additive means addition. So here the genes has been added. Here what happened? The genes has been added here. See, genes has been added here. Suppose genes has been added. Before only the two genes was present here. Before there was two genes has been present. But what happened is the additive genes has been added here. Many genes has been added to this one. So due to perform the single character. So many genes has been added here. So that's why we are calling it as a additive, due to additive effect of the gene. As the genes has been added here, due to the gene, it will produce as a phenotypic character, and this condition we are calling it as a polygenic inheritance. That condition what we are calling? We are calling it as a polygenic inheritance. We used to call. Next. Another one example is there here. Another one example for this one is skin color in man. So skin color in man. So in our body we having the skin color will be present. So skin color of man it is held by 4 alleles. See, skin color of a man it is held by whom means it is held by, so what means 4 alleles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the what here alleles which will give the color for our skin. So we having our own color, isn't it, on our body. Some will be fair, some will be what here is dark color. It will be present variations. It is present from one person to the other person. That color it will be given by what it means. It is given by 4 genes here. That means here 4 alleles are present. See, 4 alleles, 1, 2, 3, 4 alleles. That means what it means? Polygenic condition. This is the example for polygenic. Poly means many genes are present here. So usually 2 genes are responsible to show the character, but here instead of 2 genes here, so how many genes here? 2 genes are present here. That means 4 alleles are present to express the one character. Which is the one character? Skin character they are showing. So conclusion what they are giving from this means dominance is not an autonomous feature of a gene. So that means here we can't tell that dominant only always the character. Here it will express the what here express the character. So those are dominant here. We can't tell that 100% they only express the character, because during the incomplete we have been seeing that what happened means dominant has been unable to hide recessive completely. So due to that one we got the due to that we got the incomplete dominance we got here. So that's the conclusion what we are telling. Dominance is not an autonomous feature. It is not an automatic selfly. It is not in a selfly. So the feature of the gene. So dominance is not the selfly character, because here see here all are performing their expressing their character. We can't tell that who all are dominant here. Next, depending on the gene product, and product the product determines phenotype here. So depending on the genes, so who will depending on the genes, gene will shows that what type of phenotypic characters will be present, because here according to the gene the characters will be produced. If the gene it is in a defective condition means we will get a defective character. If it is gene in a good in condition means we will get a good characters will be produced here. So that's why depend on the gene the phenotypic characters will get determined. So gene के ऊपर क्या होता है phenotypic character है determine होता है. It will exhibits the character. So that's why gene always it should be in a good in condition. If defective gene means defective characters. If good gene means good characters will be appear. For example, defective gene it was present. So in the due to that when the person got the phenylketonuria, as the person got the phenylketonuria, phenotypic character has been changed. Phenotypic character also it has been changed. What the phenotypic character they got here? Mentally retardation, widely placed in scissors, etc. they got here. So all these things it will be depends on whom is it will be depend on the gene. So that's why next in some cases more than one phenotypic is influenced by same gene, but in some cases what happen here means more than one phenotype. In some cases what happen means more than one phenotype is influenced by the same gene. So same gene in some cases what happen means more phenotype influenced a single gene it will influence the more phenotypic character, more phenotypic character. Just now as I said you here, single gene it is performing the more phenotypic character. If single gene it is performing the more phenotypic character. So what in some cases, in rare cases what happen is so more than one phenotype एक से ज़्यादा phenotypic character is influenced by same gene. एक ही gene many characters it will be performed. So this is the conclusion finally they have been given due to the what happened gene interaction. So this is about your types of alleles behavior. So one gene one character normally. In some cases many alleles one character. In some cases one gene many characters will be performed. So in this pattern the genes are present in our body. Okay, so we'll stop here. If you have any doubt means you can ask. So read your textbook well. So remaining we'll discuss in our next class. Law of independent assortment or Mendel's second law we'll discuss in our next class.